What is up, guys? A very good morning and welcome to another video on this channel. So amazing market conditions. It does seem as the market is becoming better and better again. So let's dive in, see what is going on and see if my prediction on some of the pairs of yesterday has really played out. So let's dive straight in. Starting off with the dollar index, the dollar index has made a beautiful correction in towards the downside. As I mentioned yesterday, I was looking for further downside on the dollar index after this corrective price action in towards the highs and in towards my level of 109.31. Of course, it would have been a little bit more beautiful if the retracement was slightly higher, but regardless, I was anticipating on a further dump of the dollar index. So yeah, my pairs on, for instance, euro dollar and pound dollar have really played out to perfection. But yeah, looking at the dollar index for now, just still waiting for further downside, waiting for a push pretty much in towards this sell before the buy, which is my area of demand. So expecting still some further downside from the dollar index. So with that said, let's head over to Aussie dollar and Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar reacted beautifully to my zone over here, currently moving back up higher in towards the highs. Probably and most likely going to be taking out this high very soon. Liquidate it, see a reaction, and if we see a significant reaction, then we can know and anticipate on the fact, and sorry for that mobile phone sound, but then we can anticipate on the fact if we are going to be moving lower or not. I will be keeping an eye on the 50-minute time frame. So what I'll be doing is, okay, once that high gets liquidated, wait for a push down. Let's see if we can then take out this low, then see a retracement again, and then look for a further short. So yeah, that's my Aussie dollar game plan for now. Yeah, as we can see, we came in towards supply. However, we came into supply bullish. And if you wanted to take a short, what you could have done is, for instance, wait for this 50-minute low to get broken, because as you can see, 50-minute demand caused price to start rising again. So what you now want to see is this area of demand get broken, see a change in structure, and then look for further shorts. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be waiting for on Aussie dollar. Let's head over to euro dollar. So yeah, euro dollar longs yesterday, called it in the VIP community. If you want to join these signals, make sure to check out the VIP community, link in the description down below. But yeah, played out to absolute perfection, exactly as anticipated. And as I mentioned in yesterday's video, was waiting for a burst up, back up towards this high, take out the highs before any kind of bearish further price action. So yeah, waiting now still for higher prices. Yeah, still expecting higher prices. I was anticipating that we were going to see a reaction from this area of supply. That was also where I took some partials, or wanted to take some partials. Luckily, I was still sleeping, or I was in the car, by the way, so I didn't see it hit this level. So I took some, or I took full profits over here. So I'm really glad with this trade overall. But yeah, looking at euro dollar still and looking at the daily, it does still look good to come up slightly higher and move in towards pretty much this big buy before the big sell-off, take out liquidity, and then potentially see a reaction. So we could see a bearish reaction from the New York session once we take out the highs and dive in towards that buy before the sell. So yeah, let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar. So pound dollar has been on the rise as anticipated, currently in a long, running beautifully, as we can see. So yeah, beautiful scenes, and pretty much also as anticipated, and as I've been telling you guys, liquidation of this low, tap in towards demand, bullish price action. Yeah, waiting for higher prices on this pair for now. So that is that for pound dollar. I'll be keeping an eye on this area over here, see how we react to that. That's my kind of my TP for now. See how we react to that, and then dependent on if we see like a 50-minute change in structure, then I'll be taking everything off the table. So let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi dollar has been on the rise yesterday, as we can beautifully see. So what are we expecting for now? Well, not much. Kiwi dollar wise, I am pretty much just going to be waiting for a change in structure. See if we can take out this high. If we can take out that high, then look for a retracement back down in towards this big sell-off for the buy. That's my demand zone from where I want to be looking for longs with liquidation on this low over here. So yeah, that is pretty much it from Kiwi dollar. Why am I looking for longs on Kiwi dollar? Well, the main fact has to do with the daily being bullish and the daily already being retraced in towards the discount level, this gray zone. Let's over to gold. And gold has been retracing back downwards from this level or this area of supply / imbalance. Looking at the current market structure, not much in my personal opinion that I'm really loving. I would just keep an eye out for this and this zone. If we see a retracement in towards there, we could be looking at a potential shorts. So yep, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Do not forget to leave a like. Nearly at 10k subscribers. By the way, follow me on Instagram at FabV, and I appreciate all the support. Thanks, guys.